ohmathgad.
Oh my god, guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to tell or how to determine if a pair of lines is perpendicular. So in this case, we're going to be given two lines and we're going to be following some steps in order to see if they are perpendicular or not. So let's begin. Okay, guys, so the first thing you're going to be seeing is that you're going to be given two lines, so lines E and line D, and we're going to want to know if they are perpendicular or not, right? So the first thing is that you're going to follow some steps. The first thing is that you are going to identify 2 points of each line, right? So let's do that right now. So here we identify that line D passes through point 0, comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it also passes through point -1, -2, -3, -4, comma 0, right? And line E passes through point -1 and 3. And it also passes through point 1, comma 2. Okay, so that is the first step. Now, the second step is that you are going to obtain both slopes of both lines, right? So let's see. The slope of line D is going to be y2 minus y1, right? Divided by x2 minus x1. So it would be 8 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 4. So it would be 8 divided by 4, which is positive 2. Okay, because we took this one and this one. Now, the slope of line E is going to be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now, y2 is 2, y1 is 3, and then x2 is 1, and x2 is -1. So that would be -1 divided by 1 minus -1 is 2. So the two slopes are 2 and -1/2. Then if the multiplication of both slopes is -1, then they are both perpendicular. So now we're going to multiply MD multiply by ME, or the slope of D is going to be multiplied by the slope of E, right? So 2 multiplied by -1/2, and the answer is going to be -1. So, as the theorem says that if the multiplication of both slopes is -1, then they are both perpendicular. So because the answer here is -1, I can conclude that E is perpendicular to D. And we can conclude that. So guys, make sure you first evaluate the 2 points, find the slopes, and multiply them. If they are -1, once you multiply them, that means that they are indeed perpendicular to one another. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!